Hey everyone, as we know, CSI NET is almost here, and honestly, this last month pressure is real, and half of the time we don't know what to study and where to start. Like क्या important है, सब क्या mix हो जाता है, सब पढ़ते हैं और सारा के सारा mix हो जाता है, हमें यहाँ पे समझ नहीं आता क्या करना है. So I made a very simple 25 days plan that everyone can follow. Okay, so right now I'm finishing methods in biology. I'm currently in that unit, methods in biology. So and I know many of you are stuck in middle of some units. It's normal, and so I give myself 2 days for completing this particular unit. Okay, so and before this unit I have already completed these units like biochemistry, cell bio, mol bio, cell signaling and immunology. So after that dev bio, genetics, ecology, and currently I am here methodology. So it's total 8 units that I have targeted. So I gave 2 days to complete all these units. ठीक है, तो and before that these units are done already. So the remaining units that I have not yet completed are plant physio, animal physio, evolution, applied biology, which is unit 12, and diversity, which is a very like it's पूरा याद करने वाली चीज़ें हैं, इसलिए मैंने अभी तक इसको छोड़ के रखी है. तो इन द एंड सबको यही लगता है कि टाइम बहुत कम है. सो आई केप्ट 1 day फॉर ईच these units, where I target to complete all the units plus PYQ in 5 days only, 1 day for each. Then from 27 to 30, I want to target aptitude part. I swear, aptitude is that part everyone ignores, but later we regret that it's for 30 marks, and 30 marks are like rank बना देता है, तो it's important. And the last 16 days that remaining are very important. So I have decided that for 10 days I want to target all revision, मतलब complete revision plus with PYQ also, and remaining 6 days are really very important. So I want to focus only on revision and analysis of the previous year questions, and I target that much only.